Hoy mga kumarites, ngayong araw na to, tuturuan ko kayo ng mga kankanai basic phrases. Kaya, tara na!
Good kumarites!
Di lang basta chismis, kundi
Chismis na malinis!
The word Kankanai is a South Central Cordilleran language. It is widely used by Cordillerans, specifically people from the Mountain Province, which is the municipality of Busao, Sagada, Tajan, Bauco, and Sabangan. People from the Benguet Province, which is the municipality of Mangkayan, Bacon, Kibungan, Bugyas, and the upper half of Kapangan. There is a distinction between those who speak hard Kankanaoy and soft Kankanaoy.
In English, we say good morning, but in Kankanaoy, we say naimbag na aldaw. In English, we say I like you, but in Kankanaoy, laylay daksik ah. In English, we say yes, but in Kankanaoy, apay adi. In English, we say I'm hungry, but in Kankanaoy, gay manduga ang ako. In English, we say we don't have money, but in Kankanaoy, magadi pilak ko. So that's it mga kumarites. Yun lamang ang mga basic Kankanai phrases na may tuturo ko. Kadainanang, complex po ang Kankanai language. Sa aming part 2 naman, ituturo ko naman ang mga basic Ibaloy phrases. So, susunod ulit. Bye!